Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. In this video, we will see the practical implementation of the Angular application, that is creating a multiple projects in this Angular application. Let's try to see. So now for that one, what I will try to do is I will try to create a brand new project. Something like how we can create a brand new project. So that is ng new multiple hyphen app. So I am giving the name with multiple hyphen app. So let's try to see this one. So let's create let's press enter, and if we try to press enter, it will ask you some of the questions, something like, as you already know, whether you want the routing or not. So I am taking it as default. So CSS, okay. So it has created all the files and it is trying to install the packages. So here it will take some time to install the packages. That depends on your network connectivity. So let it install. So now the project has been installed successfully. Created successfully, sorry. Now let's go into the project multiple app. Now let we open that one in the Visual Studio Code. So let's click code space dot. If you try to press code space dot, then it will try to open in the Visual Studio Code. Sorry, I didn't press enter. Okay, now the project is trying to open here. So now here, if you try to see here, this is the main project. And in the angular.json file, here you will be able to see the projects, and in this project we are having only single project, that is with the name multiple app, and the default project will be multiple hyphen app only. Now let's try to create another project, another application inside this main application. So now if we want to generate a new application means, so what is the command we need to type? So we don't know the command, right? So we should not type ng new like this. Ng new means it will create a brand new project. So now for creating that one, so we need to check ng hyphen help, G for generate. So we want to check the generate command. So help options, what are the options that are available for the generate command? So let's try to press enter. So why it is taking this much of time? I don't know. So let it take. So now here if you try to see, so these are the options that are present for the ng generate command. And here, see here if you try to see, these are all the things that are available. So we have seen about the module, pipe, interface, the gods. These are all the things we have already seen. But if you try to see here, you will be having one option that is nothing but application. So what is this one? So this is the main thing. So here we can also create an application using the ng generate command. So let's try to create an application for this one. So ng generate application, okay, and we need to give the project name. So what is the project? So let's give that is a sub project. Okay. So now if I try to press enter, so it is trying to create a project. Now it will ask you the same things. What are the things we have seen, right? So would you like to have the Angular routing? Yes. So defaulting will take. So CSS. So this now again it is trying to create a project, and inside that one again the node modules, it is trying to install the node modules for that project. So let it install for that one also. So now if you try to see, it has successfully installed the projects and everything is completed. Now here if you see in the Explorer, if you try to see here, a new folder has been created with the name projects, and in these projects you will be able to see with another new folder with the name sub project. In that sub project we are having the source files again. So node modules will be in the main node modules only. So here you will be able to see again the projects, everything. So here whatever thing you are having, so here we don't have any angular.json file. If you try to see, we are not having any angular.json file. Angular.json file is the main, for the root file you will be having. So this is the sub project. Now if you try to see the angular.json file here, so in this angular.json file, if you go to the if you go to the projects, now here we are able to see that two projects have been created, multiple app and the sub project app. If you go into the sub project app, you will be able to see the project type as application, and this one is a strict true. So where it is present, the root folder, the project path, source root where we need to check for the source, prefix is app, and architect build options. What are the build options? So if you build the project, where it need to create a folder in the dist, and it will be created with the name sub project, again with the project name. So index file and all those things are present in the configuration, budgets, everything is there. Same like main project, default project how it is having. So in the same scenario, the configuration also it is present for the sub project app also. Now what I will try to do is, so let's try to build the project. So now if I try to build the project, so what will happen? Okay, now here I am trying to build ng build command. So I am trying to run only just ng build command. So if I try to press enter, so it will try to build the project. So let it build. It will also take some time to build the project. Now here if you try to see the project has been built. Which project has been built? Let's try to see. Here in the Explorer, the dist folder has been created. In this dist folder, if you try to see here, again in the dist folder, another folder has been created with the name multiple-app. So this multiple-app, if you try to see in the angular.json file, so here this is the default project. So let me minimize this one. So this is the only project that has been built. So why we with the command ng build that only one project is built is because the default project is multiple app. For that reason only multiple app is built. So now in order to build this sub project, what I need to do? So if you want to run this sub project, what I need to do is I need to run ng build and the project name. So what is the project name? Sub-project. So this is the project I need to build. So if you try to run this command, so it will try to build only the sub project only the sub project it will build, and it will place the files in the dist with the name sub project folder. Let's try to see it. Now we have run the command ng build sub project, right? Now if you try to see here in the dist folder, now two folders has been created with the name multiple app, which is the default project, that is the main project, and another one is a sub project. So this is the project which we have built it here. Now if you try to see in this one, so again the compiled files is placed here. So this is how if you want to run the sub projects means you can run like this. Now what I want to do is, now if I want to serve the command, so if I want to check the output, how can I check? So ng serve command, if I try to press this ng serve command, so what it will try to do is it will try to give the output of default project. So let's try to see that one. So how it will give. So now the project has been compiled, and now let's try to open that one in the localhost 4200, and here if you try to see multiple app is running. Multiple app is nothing but our default project. Now let's try to run this project. What is that one? Is sub project. So ng serve, so same thing, sub-project. So if you want to run the sub project means, so we will be using ng serve sub project. So let's try to run this one. Let it take some time to complete. It has compiled this sub project also. If I try to run the same thing, so here now the sub project app is running. So here we are able to see that multiple project has been replaced with the sub project. So that means it is executing the sub project. So this is the way we can have the multiple projects in our application. So this is how we can have the multiple projects in our application. Now not only the application, we can have a libraries also. So let's try to see that one, the libraries, how to create the libraries in our project. Let's try to see. One thing you need to remember is, for creating a project in your Angular application means what you need to do, you should not write the command ng new command in our Angular application. You should use ng generate application and the application name. So that is the thing you need to remember. So hope you understood about this multiple project file structure. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.